What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos education channel. My name is T. Haas from the Crypto Shop, and of course, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's going on, everybody?
Well, today is not a Pepe day. However, this particular subject has a lot to do with Pepe, but we're going to go kind of behind the scenes and try to find out not just what's going on with Pepe, but what's been going on with all of these meme tokens that are coming out with a ton of liquidity and pumping to oblivion and only to come right back down. So I think the secret behind this is a certain bot by the name, it's a MEV bot. And if you don't know what a MEV bot is, Justin's going to explain that to you a little later in the video. However, Jared from Subway.eth is a bot that's been running around and he's been going crazy. As you can see here, he's raked in millions of dollars over the last 3 months. And the tune is about $40 million, right? So the report stated that the bot made 34 million, as you can see here, 34 million in proceeds with revenues of 40 million minus blockchain fees of 6 million. Now, others go on to read, as you read the article, that they say, 3 to 4 million was the actual profit. I don't know how how they get 60 million to 3 to 4 million. I don't know. Bottom line is this bot has gotten so crazy that it is actually in 60% of all Ethereum blocks. If you guys don't understand what that means, just think about it as transactions, right? Every time you transact with a dollar, aka the Ethereum blockchain, this bot is guaranteed to be in 60% of the transactions. What is it doing? Well, it's doing what's called sandwiching your transaction. So what they do is they run a total of 238,000 attacks with more than 106,000 victims, right? And what they do is they sandwich in between your buys and sells, and they put huge orders in between those buys and sells, and they suck away your slippage before you even can get to your tokens. So if you ever notice during this meme coin season, take the moment, look at your wallet. Before you buy, it'll tell you your estimated amount you're supposed to get. And then look at your wallet after Jared from Subway is taking his bite out of crime, so to speak, right? And that's kind of a play on Jared from Subway because he's actually in jail, and he has a Subway sandwich.
He's
okay,
a thief.
all right, okay, and he's a thief. Okay. I thought that was pretty good. But anyway, what you guys need to know is exactly what a MEV bot is, things that you can do to avoid the MEV bot and help you to be safe out there. So that's why we're making this video. So Justin, go ahead and walk us through what is a MEV bot, good sir.
All right. So a MEV bot actually stands for maximum extractable value right here. And some people also kind of call it a minor extractable value. So MEV searchers can easily affect which transactions are included and excluded, and they can even change the order of transactions in the block. So that's exactly what the MEV bot is doing. It's going into the actual transaction that you're putting into the blockchain, and it's moving you over to the right so it can slide into your position. It can buy before you, and then right after it buys, it lets you buy, and then it sells right on your head. And that is what this bot is actually doing. Now, these searchers will typically run algorithms to detect profitable MEV opportunities and have bots automatically submit a profitable transaction to the network. So all this is happening really quick. And this bot has literally sniffed out all these projects. Now, I don't know. I kind of have a theory that this bot is run by the same people who actually run these tokens as a way to essentially get your taxes without actually having taxes. However, this could just be somebody who was smart enough to see how Pepe was doing and decided that it wanted to attack Pepe and all the other meme coins in the space. Now, what you can do to protect yourself is you can actually look online for a MEV bot like detector and like install it in your wallet, and it should stop the MEV bot from being able to do this to you. Now, I've not personally used it, so I don't know whether it works or not, but I was on a website earlier that said that these sandwich attacks are what happens and that these MEV bot blockers can stop it. So if that's something that interests you, then you can go ahead and check those out.
Yeah, and in conclusion, guys, MEV bots aren't all bad because what that bot did, if you look through any of these projects, AE13, Jared from Subway bot, what that bot did was bring in a ton of volume, right? By the fact that it was buying and selling at such huge amounts was increasing the volume significantly to the point where the price of Gwei, right? the charge for using the blockchain was going up simply because this person or this bot was in 60% of every transaction on the blockchain. That being said, if you don't have 0% taxes, and the bot needs, or the organizations that are getting listed on these exchanges need to truly make money, they got to get their money somehow. So I think it was actually brilliant from a business standpoint to use the MEV bot, but I also think you should be informed and know exactly what you're doing when you're out there. So that being said, you guys let us know what you think down in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Come back over to ClearCryptos education channel and check out myself, Justin, and all of the other awesome content creators over here. My name is T Hobbs. That guy over there is Jay Seals. This is the ClearCryptos education channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.